Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you. Welcome you to our class today. So, before we start, do you know which unit we learned today? We learned about unit 8. Okay, before we start our lesson, now everyone look at the picture. And now let's work in group and tell me what can you see on the screen. Let's raise your hand to answer. Okay, you please.
I can see coal and oil.
Yeah, very good. That's exactly you. They are coal and oil. So I have one question for you to check your knowledge. What are coal and oil used for? Okay, just discuss. Okay, let's raise your hand. Yeah, this group, please.
I think it can generate power.
Yeah, we use to generate electricity. Yes, that's right. Anything else? Do any function of coal and oil? Yeah, you please.
I think it's heating, cooking, and generate electricity.
Yeah, right.
Power.
Heating, cooking, and
Generate electricity power.
yeah, generate electricity power. Very good. Now let's see the function of oil and coal. Yeah, we use coal to generate electric power used in metal, cement, and chemical products. And we have oil. We use oil in propel vehicle, heat building, and produce electricity also chemical product. Do you know plastic we make from oil? Yeah, right. And the next questions, just thinking about, in your opinion, do we need oil and coal in the future? Do we need it in the future? Okay. Yeah, you please.
I think we don't need because a lot of source of energy will have like solar and wind power.
Yeah, right. We also have the alternative energy. Why we don't use oil and coal in the future? Why? Why we stop using it? Yeah, you please.
Because it will make the environment polluted.
Yeah, right. It will make our environment polluted. Yeah, but in my opinion, I think maybe we still need oil and coal in the future. We don't use it to produce electricity. We can use it in chemical, cement, and metal production. We can find some kinds of other energy to replace. And now today I will let you know about some new kinds of energy by reading the text. Before reading the text, I would like to present you some new words. The first one, look at the picture. Can you tell me what's that? Have you learned this before? What's this? Yeah, you please.
They are coal, oil, and natural gas.
Yeah, they are coal, oil, and natural gas. And all of them, we can call them fossil fuel. Yeah, fossil fuel. And the next word. Yeah, we also have the verb lose. Lose is mean become unable to find. When you cannot find anything, it means you lose it. And we also have one noun from this. We have the noun loss. Yeah, loss. It means the fact that you no longer have it or you lose it. And the last word, we have lossless from the noun loss. Loss is mean not involving the loss of data or electrical energy. We use this adjective in some topic related to energy. Okay, the first word. What phrase it? environmentally friendly. That is the phrase. It means, can you tell me what is meaning? What we do is? Yeah, you please.
It means it's good for the environment.
Good?
Yes.
It's good for environment. Yeah, right. It means it's not harmful to the environment. And we have example like plastic are not environmentally friendly. Do you know anything else like it's good, it's environmentally friendly? It means it's not harm to the environment. So we have plastic are not environmentally friendly. Okay, next word. Now, just look at and guess what's that. We have two types of energy. Can you tell me what's that? Yeah, just raise your hand, just be confident. Yeah, you please, the girl.
It's renewable and non-renewable.
Yeah, which one is renewable? The right side or the left side?
The left side is renewable and the right side is non-renewable.
Yeah, right. Yeah, with renewable, we have some kinds of energy like wind, solar, hydropower, biomass, and geometer. And that one is non-renewable. We have oil, coal, nuclear, and natural gas.
Can I ask a question? Is what is biomass?
Yeah, biomass, maybe like we use the biomass generation from like they produce oxygen. Yeah. Yeah, next one. What can you see in the picture? There are many. Yeah, you please.
Many wind turbine.
Yeah, many wind turbine. And where's the wind turbine placed on? Where's that? Yeah, the girl over there.
In the wind farm.
Yeah, on the wind farm, very good. We have wind turbine and wind farm. There are many wind turbines like the giant wind turbine on the wind farm. And here now everyone listen and repeat after me. Here's all new words. The first one, fossil fuel. Number 2, lossless. Number 3, environmentally friendly. Number 4, renewable. Very good. And number 5, wind turbine. Yeah, wind turbine. And number 6 is wind farm. Very good. Let's move to our text. Now look at your book. And we have the reading passage. Yeah, look at your book. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. This one is reading. Okay, so now before we read the text, I will let you listen, read the text, and answer the questions. What is the main idea of the text? You just read through the text. You don't have to understand like the detail of the text, okay? Just answer the question. What's the meaning? What's the main idea of the text?
Exercise 2. Unit 8, reading. Exercise 2.
We use fossil fuels in our daily life, but they are limited and cause pollution. A lot of scientists are working hard to look for some lossless and environmentally friendly sources of energy. Solar energy is not new to us because we use it to drive things every day. Solar panels catch sun rays and change them into electricity. We know that it is renewable because the sun never stops producing sunlight. Wind power is also an old source of energy. In the past, explorers used wind for sailing their ships to distant lands. A single windmill can pump water and generate electricity. To get much more power all at once, people install lots of giant wind turbines on wind farms. If we stop using fossil fuels, our planet will be greener. There is nothing to lose when we use solar energy or wind power.
Okay, so now the screen and answer the question. Can you hear it clearly? Yes. So can you get what's the main idea? Yeah, so I have two options for you. The first one is the main idea is fossil fuel, and the second one is green source of energy. What's the answer? You choose A or B? Yeah, just raise your hand. Yeah, the boys, please.
Yeah, it's B.
Yeah, you choose B.
Green source of energy.
Yeah, right. The main idea of the text is green sources of energy. It's very good. And okay, now I will divide groups again. You have 6 groups here. This one is group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, where's group 5? Raise your hand. Do you know your group? Group 5. Just raise your hand. You are group 5. 1. Okay, again. 1. Group 1 here. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, I will give you the mini board. Now we will answer the question by writing on the mini board and show me the answer. Okay, here you are. You are just write your groups here there. Yeah, let's. Be careful. Be careful. Here's it. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, now we move to text 2. Before we start, I want to check your groups. This is group 1. Here is group 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, let's see which group is the fastest. You only have 10 seconds for each question. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay, group 1, which number you want? 2. Number 2, okay. Are you ready? Yes. Yes, now read the questions. Yeah. Show me the answer. Let's see. 1, renewable. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, all of you have the correct answer. Solar energy is renewable because the sun never stops producing sunlight. Very good. Okay, what about group number 2? Which number you want? Group 2, which number?
We choose number 1.
Number 1, okay. Let's ready. Yeah, fill in the blank. Yes, very good. Fossil fuel are our answer. Fossil fuel are limited. They can cause pollution. How can they cause pollution, class? How can they cause pollution? People will burn them. Yeah, right? They burn the coal, they burn the oil to cause pollution. Yeah, right. It's really carbon dioxide pollute the environment. Okay, group number 3. Number 5. Let's see. Okay, ready? Choose true or false. Just read. Our planet. Yeah, show me. Yeah, group 5 and group 6 are the fastest. Yeah, all of you choose number A, true. Yeah, right. That's the correct answer. Our planet will be greener if we stop using fossil fuel. It means fossil fuel is, they are coal, oil, and natural gas. Our answer is 2. Okay, group number 4. Which number?
6.
6. Okay, let's go. There's something to lose. Which one fastest? Yeah, I see that group 4 and group 5 are the fastest group. There are something to lose when we use solar energy and wind energy. What will lose? Okay. Yeah, nothing is not correct because we have to correct this sentence is there is anything or something to lose when we use solar and energy. Next, group number 5, which number 7. Ready? Let's go. According to the passage, what are scientists looking for? Yeah, group 5 and group 6 are the fast groups. According to the passage, what are scientists looking for? They are looking for new type of energy. Our answer is number A, right. Next one. Okay, go back to number 6. Number 3. Okay, let's go. The giant wind. Show me. Yeah, group 4. What's the answer? Show me. Like turbine. Yeah, they install giant wind turbine to get much more power at all once. Because they are really, really big, so it make what? What kind of pollution? Because the wind turbine is really big, it's giant, so it makes noise pollution, right? Yeah, it can also hurt the flying animal in the sky. Turbine. Okay, 2 last question, I will choose it. Number 4. Let's go. There is no okay, which group? Yeah, group 5 fasted. Yeah, you also have the correct answer. There is no limit, or maybe we'll have the other nouns of limits. We can say limitation. Yeah, no limit to solar energies and wind power because they are called renewable energy. And the last questions. According to the passage, we should use, yeah, group 4 is the fastest. Yeah, group 4 they all choose B. According to the passage, we should use B. It means wind and solar energy. Why we don't use nuclear power? Why? Can you tell me? Anyone else? Yeah, you please. It's non-renewable? And what effect is affect to the environment?
It's pollution.
Yeah, it's make pollution, is it right? Yeah, it's make pollution and yeah.
It's very expensive and it's very dangerous.
Yeah, right. The nuclear is very dangerous. Have you ever heard the word like nuclear bomb? Yes. Yeah, it's really dangerous. It can destroy a whole city. Right. So our answer of this question is answer B. Wind and solar energy is clean and renewable and safe. Yeah, they are not dangerous. Okay, so now we complete task 2. Let's move to task number 3. Okay, and now I will give you some clues to make To complete the task 3, put the advantage and disadvantage in the correct column of some kinds of energy. They are wind power and solar energy. Now look at your handout. You will see the table and then you just work in group and fill in the handout. Tell me 2 advantages for each and 2 disadvantages for each kind of number of energy.
Cả là đều là phải sử dụng nhiều cái space.
Okay, have you finished?
Yeah.
Now let's share with me the answer. What is the 2 advantages of wind power? Yeah, just raise your hand. Tell me your answer. Yeah, you please.
I think the advantage of wind power is diverse application and renewable and clean source of energy.
Yeah, you have one correct answer is wind power is renewable and clean source of energy. But the other is not correct. But the other is like diverse application we can use for the solar energy. Yeah. One more advantage of wind powers. What's that? Because when we place the wind turbine on the farm, we can use the land on the farm. We can grow a lot of vegetable, a lot of tree on the farm. So we can call that efficient use of land space. Yeah, that is the second advantage of wind power. And what about disadvantage? Yeah, 2 more disadvantages of wind power. Yeah, yeah.
Two more disadvantages about wind power is noise pollution and efficient use of land space.
It's the same as wind power. Solar and disadvantage is, the first one is?
Noise pollution.
Yeah, right, it's noise pollution. And the second one?
The second one is wind power is remote.
Yeah, right, the second one is wind power is remote because it's quite far away the city. We cannot put it on our roof of the house. Yeah, right? Okay, very good, thank you. And now, the next one, solar energy. What about the advantage of solar energy? Yeah, who can? Yeah, you please.
Renewable and clean source of energy, efficient use of land space, and diverse applications.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, it's also like the renewable clean source of energy. But can we use the land space of solar energy? When we put the solar panel on the roof of the house, can we use it? Can we use it? No, it's not used. It's not efficient. Yeah, the second one is diverse application, right? And we also can reduce the electricity bill when we use solar energy. Is it right? Okay, and the last one, 2 disadvantages of solar energy. Why not many people use them? Yeah? Okay, this room. Yeah, you please.
I think it's weather dependent and expensive.
Yeah, right. Because when we use solar energy, we have to use it on sunny days. Yeah, sometimes it's cloudy. We cannot like collect the sunlight to use the solar energy. And it's also expensive storage, like the battery store the solar energy. We can use solar energy maybe a few days after we collect them. Yeah, and we need the storage. We call that electric battery. Yeah, right? But it's quite expensive. It's costly to buy it. Okay, now I will show you the answer. Let's correct your exercise. Okay, look at the table and correct your exercise on your handout. The first one, we have renewable, clean source of energy. The next one, efficient use of land. Yeah, just tick with the correct answer. Okay, have you finished? Okay, now we will discuss more about some kind of energy. I want to check your knowledge about the energy, okay? After reading the passage and learning, like, get to know more about solar and wind energy, can you tell me, which do you prefer, solar energies or wind power? And tell me why. What reason you like solar or you like wind power? Okay, just think in 1 minute and tell me. Share with me your opinion. Yeah, just discuss what in groups. Finish? Are you sure? Okay, you please.
I prefer solar.
Yeah, can you share with me?
Always expensive, but I think it's more convenient than wind turbine.
Yeah, right.
I think it's meant is generate power more than wind turbines do.
Yeah, that's your opinion. Yes, yeah, very good. Anything else? Anyone want to share? Yeah, you please.
I think the solar energy can reduce our electricity.
Yeah, so it means you refer
Solar energy.
solar energy. Yeah, two of you also refer solar energy. Does anyone like wind power? Like the wind turbine, the giant wind turbine. Have you ever seen the wind turbine?
Yes.
Where?
On TV, in the countryside, on TV.
Have you ever gone to wind farm?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Which province? Yeah, it's very noisy. It's called noise pollution. And the scientists prove that like some kinds of animal will affect with the wind turbine. Because why the wind turbine rotate, it will hurt the animal. Like bird, that, yeah, some kind of flying animal on the sky. Yeah, it will hurt them. Okay, group 1. Group 2, what about you? Which kind of power you refer?
Solar energy,
Yeah, you also refer solar energy?
because it can take on our roof and it's not have noise pollution and it is more convenient than wind power.
Yeah, right. Because we can put the solar panel on the roof to collect the sunlight to generate electricity. We can use it in your house, at home, at house. Can you tell me some household appliance using solar energy? What household appliance at home you using solar energy? Remember? Yeah, you please.
Electric water heaters.
Yeah, right, the electric water heater. Does anyone here have the solar panel on your roof of house? No? Yeah, who have? Raise your hand. Who have solar panel on your house? Yeah.
Not my house, my grandma's.
Yeah, grandma's house. What about you? You have it? Yeah, so we use solar energy for water heater only?
Water heating.
Yeah, you use for water heater. Okay, very good. And now, today, we will learn about some kinds of energy. And we will get to know more about solar energy and wind power. And finally, you tell me that you like solar energy than wind power because it's more convenient, right? Is it more expensive? Is it cheaper? Is it cheaper than wind power? Yeah, but it's quite expensive to buy the solar panel and to put it on the roof of the house. Okay. And now, before we start, I have the homework for you. Look at the passage. Yeah, you can look at it on your handout. This passage is about the energy. Let's read the passage and collect exercise 1 and 2 below the passage. After reading passage and tell me, write true or false for the following statement and choose the suitable correct answer. Okay, can you do it at home? Yes. Okay, I will check it next period. And finally, okay, this is the end of the lesson today. Thanks for your attention and your cooperation today. Goodbye, class. Goodbye, teacher. Hope to see you in someday. Okay.